Okay, quadratic graphs. Okay, we got missing value from the table there, and the first mark is for finding that value in the table. Now before I do that, I'm gonna plot these points, because the second part is about plotting the points, and I'm just gonna get a guide of what that answer in the table should be. Okay, so I plot the point -1, 8, 0, 3, 1, 0, 2, I am going to value at the moment, 3, 0, 4, 3, 4, 3, and final 5, 8, 5, 8. Now I start thinking about this point here, because I am going to value for the 2. Now then, when I look at the graph, it's going to be a curve. So I'm looking at that, and the answer at 2 is going to be below the x-axis, so it's going to be a negative, probably -1 or -2. Now I go back up and put that value in. So when I see an x, I put a 2, so it'll be 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 3. 2 squared is 2 times itself, which is 4. Minus 4 2s are 8, add 3. And here, so I got 4 and 3 is 7, take away 8, that is -1. So as you can see there, right, when I looked at the curve, I expected it to be down there, so I put in -1. Now if when you do this calculation here you get an answer which doesn't follow the curve, okay, then use your graph to put in the value in the table. Cross off what you've done and use just the line of the graph so you sort of make a good estimate of what to put in that box. Okay, we know the curve is a nice smooth one. Now then, to draw the curve, you've got to join the dots, join the crosses, and not have any tram lines. Okay, no double lines. So you've got to be fairly confident in how you sort of draw it. Don't worry too much, as long as you've got the general shape and it's going through the crosses. Just missed that one there. Okay, we're okay. Now then, there's my graph. Now the last part says draw the line y equals 5 along the axis, and I want the coordinates to the point of intersection. So at 5, this is the line y equals 5. Okay, there's y equals 5, and I want the x coordinates, only the x coordinates, where that line meets the curve. So I'm looking at that point there, drop it down to the axis there, so that's the one value of x, and the other value of x is here. So this it's 0.1 each square, minus 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, so it's minus 0.4 and 4.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 4.5. Okay, second one. Okay, again we see there's one missing value. So let's plot first of all and see roughly where it should be. So minus 430, minus 3 I'm going to value, minus 2, minus 2. Right, be careful here, right, it's one small square, one value. So minus 2, minus 2 is there. Minus 1, minus 9. So minus 9 is just one short of minus 10. 0, minus 10. And the axis 1, minus 5. 2, 6, and 3, 20, 21, 22, 23. So again, we got a nice smooth curve coming here. So when I look at minus 3, if I follow the line there, I'm expecting it to be up around the 10 mark. Okay, so I'll calculate it now. So that'll be y is 3 lots of the square of minus 3 plus 2 lots of minus 3 minus 10. So if you're struggling getting this point, just let the graph show you roughly where it is and put it in. You're only going to lose one of the marks, at least you can get the remaining marks that you need to do. Square minus 3 is 9. 3 is a 27. 2 lots of minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 10. So it's 27 take away 6, 21, take away 10 is 11. Okay, so if I had made my estimate there, look of 10, okay, I wouldn't have had the first mark, but I could still carry on with the question. Okay, so plot that minus 3 at 11, and now when I draw it, I tend to turn the graph paper and tend to move away with my hand there. So there's my curve. It says write down the x-coordinates, the point where this graph intersects the x-axis. Well, the x-axis is this line here, so it's intersecting there and there. So that is minus 2.1, and this is 1.5. Okay, so the drawing in the last part are probably easier than the first part. So you must get, if you can't get the point through substitution, then let the graph show you roughly where the point is and just make a guess. Okay, at least you can score the remaining marks.